Hi there, thanks for checking out our recording on the Provider tab. When you log into Pronto, you're going to want to select this provider icon on the left-hand side. And from there, you're going to see a couple of fields at the top to choose from. Depending upon which group of providers you want to look at, you're going to choose either hygiene or general dentistry. I'll choose general dentistry for now. Your group name, your region, and the particular office location. If you have multiple locations, I stick with lucky number 13. And over to the far right, you'll see a drop down of all the providers that are associated with that particular practice location. You can select one or many or all of these, depending upon the view that you want to achieve. And then over to the left, you're going to select any one of these metrics or group of these metrics that you want to take a look at for those providers that you've selected. To keep it simple, I'm just going to look at average production per hour, and I will click apply. And very quickly, you'll see a blue tab appear at the top of the screen. And when you select that, you'll be able to see that performance that you were looking for. And so, for example, if you take a look at this particular dentist, which is dentist number 1026, you're going to see the performance being tracked over those same time periods that we're always looking at: month actual, month goal, year actual, year goal, trend, current year to date versus prior year to date, and trailing 12 months versus prior year. We use the red again to indicate if someone is off track, and the green, of course, to indicate if someone is at or achieving that goal or overperforming. And this is a really good way to be able to identify a couple of things, some superstars in your practice, perhaps based upon that particular metric. Those people might be great mentors for others. It's also going to help you identify inconsistencies, as well as whether or not we are being consistent across the practice with respect to standard of care. So, this is a wonderful way to be able to identify some coaching opportunities, mentoring opportunities, and to be able to give your associates particular feedback. And the same with hygiene. Of course, you'd be looking at different performance metrics for them, different procedures. But if we just looked at production once again, we'd be able to look at average production per hour. And because we are a goal-based technology, everything is being tracked against goals that are being set over the different time periods. So hopefully you'll be able to use this to help improve performance, give specific feedback. And if you have any questions, like I always say, reach out. We're here to help. Thanks.